Hello everyone, Nasir here. In this video I'm going to talk about gold once again. It's been quite a while. I've done my last video on gold where I was expecting it to head up. So gold did head up to 2000 and it's done a lovely reversal there. If I'm honest, I didn't really expect gold to tumble any lower than 1900. But I was very surprised. It actually broke below 1900, and today we're sitting at around 1850. So that was quite unexpected because overall I'm expecting gold to continue moving upwards, but this downward move seems to be a bit prolonged beyond what I've expected. But there were a lot of opportunities on the way. As you probably know, if you follow my videos, I don't make analysis videos on every small trade along the way. My videos are focusing on the medium-term outlook, where I usually try to catch a substantial amount of pips on gold. If you do want to know all the other trades that I'm working on, just to give you an idea, there was a trade here, 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 and there's actually a trade here right now. And once that's done, there's going to be another trade. So again, there's multiple opportunities on the way, which you could capitalize on. If you do want those trade ideas, then I would suggest going to my website and joining my VIP group, where you can get all my trade ideas, small or big, and know exactly what I'm trading and the opportunities. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible. So that's that. Let's focus on the medium-term outlook. I think we're getting quite close to the end of gold's fall. As unexpected as it is, to be honest. So I'm just going to zoom in on this last dip here because I do see something interesting going on. Let's go into 15-minute. So yesterday we had this fall on gold, which was pretty much expected, and then there was a reversal, again pretty much expected. At the moment I've got a trend line here which, if I go into 5 minutes, becomes a lot more clear. And you might be thinking, okay, why am I going to 5 minutes? Because normally on my videos I don't go into 5 minutes. The reason I'm looking at this in a lot more detail is I'm just trying to identify where the bottom is. And what my analysis is showing me is that gold is most probably going to dip today. And again, this is an investment advice. I can't be 100% sure. I just focus on the likely probabilities. So it's very likely we're going to see gold fall today, and we may see it dip below its last low, coming down as low as maybe 1825, 1820, around there. And I think once it's around there, I think we'll have a very good chance of gold doing a reversal for the medium term. And when that reversal does start, I would look for gold to break this bigger trend line here. Yeah, so you can imagine once the price is a bit lower, say in a day or two time, suppose it is going to fall, then it's going to head back up here, and once it breaks this sort of level around the 1850 level, then I think we're going to have a good opportunity to do a buy on gold and take this back up to 2000 and beyond. But of course, initially we're looking to take it back up to around 1910. In fact, let me zoom back out, because I can see this potentially if we do reverse around 1820, 1825, this upward reversal could potentially take us easily to around 1930, 1950. There on I'd have to reassess to understand what the situation is. But of course, as I always say, when that upward reversal does happen, hopefully some point this week, there are going to be opportunities on the way. It's not going to be a straight line up, as you can see what's happened on this descent. So there's going to be a lot of opportunities on the way, and we can capitalize on those opportunities as well and do buy sells on the way, whilst keeping our overall buy position. So yeah, for now I'm looking to see gold dip a little bit more before showing us some good signs of heading upwards. And when it does start heading upwards, I'm looking for it initially to get back to around the 1950-ish level. Thereafter I'll have to assess this. And just before I go, if you have been following my analysis and it's been fruitful for you, you've been making some good profits, please do share your results with us in the comment section below. It'd be really nice to know what sort of results people are getting. It's rewarding to know that my analysis is helping people. So yeah, it'd be a nice motivation. So please do comment and let me know how your trading is going using the help of my analysis. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.